Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 18th, 2025, and we're diving into Fluor's fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Fluor has had an eventful year, and there's a lot to unpack in their latest earnings report.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Fluor reported a revenue of $16.3 billion for 2024. How does this compare to their performance last year?
Fluor's revenue increased from $15.5 billion in 2023 to $16.3 billion in 2024. This growth is primarily driven by their Urban Solutions segment, which saw a significant increase in revenue due to the ramp-up of execution activities on several large projects.
And what about profitability?
Net income attributable to Fluor was $2.1 billion, or $12.30 per diluted share, largely influenced by a $1.6 billion gain from the deconsolidation of their NuScale investment. Adjusted EPS for the year was $2.32, which is a strong performance.
Segment performance and backlog. John, can you break down the performance of Fluor's business segments?
Sure. Urban Solutions was a standout, with revenue increasing to $7.2 billion from $5.3 billion in 2023. Energy Solutions, however, saw a decline in profit to $256 million due to cost growth and schedule challenges. Mission Solutions improved its profit to $153 million, despite a slight revenue decline.
And how is their backlog looking?
Fluor's ending backlog for 2024 was $28.5 billion, slightly down from $29.4 billion in 2023. However, 79% of this backlog is reimbursable, which provides a stable revenue stream moving forward.
Cash flow and shareholder returns. Let's talk about cash flow and shareholder returns. How did Fluor perform in these areas?
Fluor generated strong operating cash flow of $828 million, the highest since 2015. They also repurchased $125 million worth of shares in Q4, with plans to repurchase $300 million in 2025. Their cash and marketable securities increased to $3.0 billion, up 14% from last year.
That's impressive. It seems like they're in a solid position to return value to shareholders.
Absolutely. Their robust cash flow and strategic share repurchases indicate a strong commitment to enhancing shareholder value.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 78 cents for the quarter. How did Fluor's actual performance compare?
Fluor reported an adjusted EPS of $0.48 for the fourth quarter, missing the analyst forecast by 30 cents. This miss is primarily due to the provision related to a jury verdict against a Fluor joint venture, which impacted their earnings.
How are analysts reacting to this miss?
The sentiment is mixed. While the EPS miss is a concern, the overall financial health and strategic initiatives of Fluor are seen positively. Analysts are keeping a close eye on how Fluor addresses the legal provision and its impact on future earnings.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, what can you tell us about Fluor's operational efficiencies and their outlook for 2025?
Fluor reduced their general and administrative expenses to $203 million, down from $232 million in 2023, thanks to a reduction in performance-based compensation. Looking ahead, they've set an adjusted EPS guidance of $2.25 to $2.75 and an adjusted EBITDA guidance of $575 to $675 million for 2025.
And what did the CEO have to say about their future prospects?
David Constable, Fluor's CEO, emphasized their strategic positioning, highlighting their robust reimbursable backlog and strong project execution teams. He believes these efforts will deliver significant value to clients, employees, and shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, Fluor has delivered a strong performance in 2024, with significant revenue growth and strategic initiatives that position them well for the future. Despite missing the EPS forecast, their operational efficiencies and cash flow improvements are commendable. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Fluor's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Fluor's performance in the comments below. Until next time.